One transition that I really like to use is the difference transition. Like most of the presets, I made this fully customizable so it can be adjusted to your taste. With the texture hit, you can control the strength of the texture over your image. You have the controls to adjust the contrast of the texture and the saturation. With the texture scale slider, guess what you can do? Adjust the scale of the texture. You have the option to add a glow in the texture, if you want, and adjust the size of it. You have the controls for the position and rotation of the texture, but also the jitter sliders to increase or decrease the jitter between each texture. My favorite part of this transition is the reorder texture button. With this you can change the order of the textures, so you can have a completely different looking transition each time. The Chroma RGB transition is making a transition based on a color channel. You have the basic controls in the Controls tab, but you can also go to the Channels tab and change the color channel that you want to use. You can check every channel if you want, but then you are missing the point of the transition. Next we have the ellipse refraction. As you can see, you have every control that you need right in the edit page. You can adjust the strength of the displace, the width and height sliders. With the softness slider, you can adjust the softness, and with the border slider you can adjust whether you want the softness to be inwards or outwards. After the refraction controls, you have the glow controls, where you can adjust the strength, the size of the glow, and the color of the glow that you want to use. Another one that I like is the film burn transition. In this one again, you have the reorder button to change the order of the burn images used, so you can get different burn transition each time. You have again all the basic controls you need to adjust the transition to your liking. As an extra in this one you have also the apply mode, which by default is set to screen, but if you want to experiment you can set it to whatever you want and create your own look. In the photo stack transition, you don't have as many controls like in the other transitions, you have only the basic controls, but because I like this one, I made 10 different variations of it, just because I can, and of course I count this as one transition only. Because this video looks like it's going to be long, and I'm too lazy, I think I will stop here, and I will just throw a few more random transitions with the settings on the screen, add a mediocre song, and call it cinematic editing like a pro.